Hey, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining us on another episode of the Denial of the Day podcast. We have so many topics and so many things to talk about, but today, too many cooks in the kitchen. Chris, what does that mean exactly?
Yes. Good point. Good to see everyone again here. We love doing these podcasts, spreading the word, giving you information to make you help win your claim, basically. But
Oh,
yeah, so this one is an important one. This one does come up, believe it or not, a lot. Not to have too many cooks in the kitchen when speaking to the insurance adjuster.
that's
By
right.
that I mean it's good to have just one person in charge.
Yeah, and hopefully his
And
name is Charles.
Charles in charge, I get it. That was a
Yeah,
good
yeah,
one.
yeah.
You got me.
Well, you're right. This is sometimes what we run into before we get involved is the contractor, vendor, insured. They're all speaking to the adjuster, maybe on a unified front, but maybe not. And so you're saying one thing here, one thing here, one thing there. I've gotten involved in commercial claims like a 50,000 square foot roof where the contractor had said some stuff to the adjuster. When we got involved, the adjuster's like, well, the contractor is the representative of the insured, and that's what they told us. And I was like, no, bro, that's not true. This is what it
Mhm.
is. So we had kind of had like backpedal, right? So to
Mhm.
Chris's point, too many cooks in the kitchen, they can ruin the claim because you and the contractor and the insured and whoever you might be, if you're the property manager, might be all saying different things. So you need to narrow that down and have one voice to the insured, or sorry, the insurance company, because you want to have the unified front, and that's what we do. When you hire Bellator, we take over the communications, we take over the emails, we take care of scheduling. Like that's our role and responsibility because we know what we're saying and we know what to say and who to say it, how to say it, when to say it, and probably most importantly, we know what not to say.
Yes, that's
That
the big thing.
that's the big one. When you have too many cooks in the kitchen, you're like, dude, why did you say that? Well, that's not even relevant. That's not even factual. That's a hypothetical and speculation, which we never want to speculate to the detriment of the insured.
Mhm.
That's simple as
Yeah,
that.
it is that
And
simple.
and so that is what usually happens is people are speculating, don't know understand exactly the repair method or the process
Mhm.
or the claim or what the adjuster's saying. And then it comes to us, and we can clear all of that, right? By
Mhm.
focusing our message with Chris and I communicating to the insurance company, and it makes it a lot easier for everybody. Chris, I'm going to give you the last word, my friend. Take us out of here.
Yeah, last words is again, it's we could go on stories and stories and tell you guys some crazy stories of what we've
Yeah,
heard from insureds
crazy. Yeah,
and some other contractors. Again, we just want to stress that it's good to have one point of contact. When you speak to the adjuster, obviously other people are going to have some different ideas.
right.
Have that go through one channel, and that's what we're here for. As Taylor mentioned, we set those expectations for our insureds that hey, we're going to take this off your plate. We're going to communicate directly with your insurance company because of this, this, and this. And so, obviously, as the insured, you used to have final settlement authority, but we're going to get to that point to where you can actually make that decision.
That's
So,
right. That's right, man. Thank you so much, Chris. And you guys, we are honored for all the likes and the shares and the comments and the follows. Please continue to do that because we're trying to get this message out to a million people, a million insureds, a million contractors, a million property managers combined. So maybe
mhm.
333,333.33 of each of those categories, right? But
Mhm.
ultimately, we just want to get this message out to empower insureds and empower the contractors to help the insureds beat the insurance companies at their own game. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. Thank you.